AI is coming for your job.
Or it might just be the secret weapon you need to land that dream job faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Stick around, and we'll show you how to make AI your personal job hunting assistant.
Interviews are nerve-wracking, right? You've got one chance to make a great impression, and if you fumble through your answers, that opportunity could slip right through your fingers. But how do you know if you're really prepared? Practicing in front of a mirror with a friend can only get you so far.
And that's where Udly comes in. Udly is like having a personal interview coach minus the judgmental stares. It uses AI to simulate a real interview environment, complete with challenging questions and instant feedback.
Udly doesn't just listen to your words, it analyzes everything, your tone, your pacing, even the confidence in your voice. It then gives you actionable feedback on how to improve. It's like getting a second chance at every tough interview question before you even walk into the real interview.
So here's your next step. Set up a session with Udly before your next interview. Practice answering common questions, listen to the AI's feedback, and refine your responses until you're confident and polished. It's like having a personal trainer for your interview skills. We've all been there. You spend hours, maybe even days, perfecting your resume. You think it's a masterpiece, but then you hear about this thing called Applicant Tracking System, or ATS, and suddenly you're not so sure. Did you use the right keywords? Is your format ATS friendly? The last thing you want is for your resume to get filtered out before a human even sees it.
Meet Resume AI and JobScan. These tools take the guesswork out of resume writing. Resume AI helps you build a resume from scratch or optimize your existing one by analyzing job descriptions and suggesting the right keywords to include. JobScan goes a step further. It compares your resume directly against a specific job posting and tells you how well you match up.
Think of it as getting insider tips from the ATS itself. You can see exactly where your resume falls short and make the necessary tweaks. It's like getting a cheat sheet for the application process.
So here's what you should do. Run your resume through JobScan or Resume AI. Let the AI suggest changes, whether it's adding keywords, rephrasing sections, or tweaking the format. Then, update your resume and give yourself the best possible chance of getting past those ATS filters.
Now, if you thought that was helpful, just wait. We've got more mind-blowing tips coming up in a second. But first, we've got a little favor to ask. If we've earned your trust so far, hit that like button. It's kind of like a thumbs up of the future, right? And while you're here, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Who knows, the next tip might be the one that gives your job search the edge it needs. Networking. Everyone says it's the key to landing a job, but let's be honest. It can feel like trying to crack a secret code. How do you reach out without coming off as pushy? How do you make sure your profile stands out in a sea of other candidates?
That's where AI tools like Crystal and LinkedIn's AI features come in. Crystal analyzes LinkedIn profiles and gives you insights into a person's personality. Are they analytical? Big picture thinkers? Crystal helps you tailor your approach based on these insights so you can connect in a way that feels natural and effective.
And then there's LinkedIn's own AI. It's not just about job recommendations. This AI helps you optimize your profile, suggesting skills to add, content to share, and even connections to make. It's like having a networking coach that's available 24/7.
So here's what to do. First, polish your LinkedIn profile using the AI suggestions. Make sure it reflects the skills and experiences that recruiters are looking for. Then, use Crystal to craft personalized connection requests. It's about building relationships, not just expanding your network. Ever feel like the skills you have today might not be enough for tomorrow's job market? With technology evolving so fast, keeping your skills up to date can feel like a never-ending race. But how do you know which skills are worth your time and which ones will actually land you a job?
That's where AI-powered learning platforms like Coursera and Udacity come in. These platforms just don't offer courses. They offer personalized learning paths. The AI analyzes your current skills, your career goals, and the job market trends to recommend the most relevant courses.
It's like having a career advisor who knows exactly what employers are looking for. Plus, these platforms offer certifications that can make your resume stand out.
Here's your next move. Sign up for Coursera or Udacity and let the AI guide you to the courses that will boost your own employability. Complete the courses, add those new skills to your resume, and make sure your LinkedIn profile reflects your latest qualifications.
So, AI isn't here to steal your job, it's here to help you get the job.
Exactly. Whether it's matching you with the perfect role, optimizing your resume, or prepping you for interviews, AI is the ally you didn't know you needed.
Here's what you should do next. Start by picking one of these AI tools and put it to the test in your job search. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results.
And remember, AI might be the future, but you're the one in control. Okay, before you head out, there are even more great tips waiting for you. So go ahead and click here for the next video. You're just one step away from leveling up your game. We'll see you in the next one.